Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you love your backyard, friends? We really do in our home, and so I love this really cute wooden birdhouse from ColorfulLaVie. This birdhouse is made completely out of wood except the back, where you have a beautiful plastic screen that will enable you to be able to see your birds once they start making a nest. The house comes completely put together, and it comes with a lanyard so you can either hang it or with suction cups so you can put it right up to your window. Either way, when the birdhouse rotates and you can look through the back window, we'll be able to see all that activity. Our birds in our area are really pretty, and so being able to observe them from the inside in a way that does not make them afraid will be really lovely. All natural wood is very durable feeling, and I really love the rope lanyard that allows you to be able to hang it if you'd like. The suction cups that it came with stick to the window really well, and they did not fall off at all. So you have that option of putting it on your window or hanging it outside. I love being able to watch the birds. It's very soothing and relaxing, and I'm sure that they will be happy with this super cute little birdhouse. But that's just my point of view.